Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create an opening workbooks on Excel. So firstly open Excel. Now to create blank workbook, just click on this new blank workbook, and there are ready to use template. Click on new, and here you will see some category like create a drop down list, get started with formulas, get to know Power Query. Here you can search a template online. These templates are useful for business, and you can see the options for here. Budgets and planners and trackers, calendar charts and personal. So select any template which you like here, like loan calculator, and click on create. So this is the template useful for loan calculator. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.